Hello 8th Standard, welcome to English class. Today we are going to continue with chapter 2 from your semester 2 English textbook. We had started with the story of Golden Locks, right? And we finished last time till how did Golden Locks decide to help his father, right? And how did he disguise himself in the old rags and he covered his golden hair with plain white cloth. Okay, now I'll continue. And after that, when he told the guards over there that he has brought the precious drops of venom from the tiger snake so as to help the king, right? So God, he assured him immediately. Okay, now he entered into his father, that is king's room. His father lay pale and dozing on his pillow. At a nod from the doctor, Goldenlocks placed the precious drops on his father's lips. At first there was no response, but in moments his father opened his eyes. Now when this Goldenlocks, when he entered his father's room, he saw his father that his father was lying down and he was looking very pale and he was dozing. And the doctor over there, who was sitting beside his father, told Goldenlocks the precious drops of that tiger snake, what he has brought, the venom, right, to place it, to put it on father's lips. तो उसने क्या किया अपने फादर के लिप्स पर प्रेशियस ड्रॉप्स जो है वो रखे पहले तो कुछ रिस्पॉन्स फादर ने नहीं दिया लेकिन बाद में वो फादर ने ही ओपनड हिज आईज राइट दैट मींस बिकॉज वो जो टाइगर स्नेक का जो वेनम था इट वाज लाइक अ मेडिसिन फॉर हिज फादर गोल्डन लॉक्स क्विकली कवर्ड हिज फेस विद अ वाइट हेड क्लॉथ बट इट वाज टू लेट अब जैसे ही वो फादर ने किंग ने गोल्डन लॉक्स की तरफ देखा ही ओपनड हिज आईज गोल्डन लॉक्स बिकॉज वो अपने आप को डिस्गाइज करके आया था है ना और उनके फादर ने तो उनको बैनिश कर दिया था ना तो गोल्डन लॉक्स ने क्या किया तुरंत अपने फेस को कवर किया व्हाइट हेड क्लॉथ से लेकिन जब तक वो कवर करता किंग ने उसके फादर ने उसको देख लिया इट वॉज टू लेट माई सन am I dead that I see my precious son again at last? तो वो फेस देख लेते हैं लेकिन वो किंग को लगता है कि क्योंकि उन्होंने तो बैनिश कर दिया था तो बोलता है माई सन क्या आई एम डेड दैट अगेन आई एम सीइंग माई सन उनको लगा कि he is just recalling his son because he thought his son is already dead because he was banished from the kingdom long back है ना तो he thought कि बिकॉज तब तक तो क्या कि डेथ हो गई होगी मेरे सन की और मैं मेरे सन को कैसे देख रहा हूँ तो बोलता है क्या मेरी डेथ हो गई ताकि मैं अपने रिकॉल मतलब मेरी मेमोरीज में मैं अपने सन को देख रहा हूँ यू आर नॉट डेड फादर आई हैव ब्रॉट द क्योर आई ओनली होप इट इज इनफ फॉर यू टू फॉरगिव मी तो गोल्डन लॉक्स वो अपने फादर को बोलता है यू आर नॉट डेड फादर राइट आपकी डेथ नहीं हुई है मैं आपके लिए क्योर लाया हूँ मतलब द मेडिसिन विच वॉज टोल्ड बाय द doctors what was that medicine the venom of tiger snake right and he said I hope you will forgive me and the giant it is he who braved the snake to bring you this medicine और फिर golden locks जो है वो याद करवाता है अपने father को you remember that giant right वो giant ने जो है ये tiger snake में से ये जो medicine है जो tiger snake का जो venom है उसने वो मुझे ला कर दिया and which is like a medicine to you you remember the giant ना जिसको किंग ने जो है वो केज कर दिया था Goldenlocks and his father were reunited. So in this way, Goldenlocks he reunited with his father. The queen was also very happy. The queen was happy to marry the king. Remember the वो बुके वाली बात, right? क्योंकि गोल्डन लॉक्स जो है वो गार्डनर के साथ रहता था और उसने एक दिन क्या किया था, अपने गोल्डन हेयर से जो है बुके बनाया था, बुके टाई किया था, right? तो वो queen also, she wanted to get married to the one who tied the bouquet with the golden hair, right? So she was also happy that she is going to get married to the king. But the princess was just happy who promised, even when he became a king. And that princess also, she became very happy and she thought that yes, finally I will marry the king, right? In this way, princess also became very happy. So this was the end of activity 1, the story of golden locks. Okay. Now let us move towards activity 2. What does our activity 2 say? In standard 6, you learn that many stories follow common pattern or structure. In writing, we talk about structure to describe the sequence of ideas. We learn that many stories use structure that starts by describing a character and then telling how one day something happens that causes the character to have a problem. Whenever we read a story, when we talk about story writing, we have always seen that story has a typical kind of structure. you know कोई भी जो स्टोरी जब स्टार्ट होती है, एक कॉमन पैटर्न भी होता है, कॉमन स्ट्रक्चर होता है स्टोरी राइटिंग का, कि जब स्टोरी स्टार्ट होती है, फिर जो मेन कैरेक्टर होता है उसको डिस्क्राइब करना, टेलिंग समथिंग अबाउट द कैरेक्टर, और वन डे समथिंग हैपेंस टू द कैरेक्टर, वो कैरेक्टर को प्रॉब्लम होता है, राइट? एंड देन the story goes on and on, right? So let us see he what is it. Goldilocks was happy prince until he lost a toy that he loved. Next, the story shows how the character tries to solve the problem but it doesn't work and it causes big problems. अब